Running a business means juggling 100 things at once: emails, marketing, customers, and finances. But what if AI could take over some of that workload for you so you could focus on actually growing your business? Welcome to Journey Road Studios. I'm here to help entrepreneurs and small business owners use AI to work smarter, not harder. If you're ready to save time, cut costs, and scale your business, you're in the right place. Let's dive into 5 AI tools every small business owner needs in 2025. Tool number 1, AI for emails. If you spend hours drafting responses, try tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. You can paste in a client's message and generate a professional, polite reply in seconds. That's hours saved each week. Tool number 2, AI for social media. Creating posts, captions, and videos can eat up your time. Tools like CapCut AI or Opus Clip can auto-edit long videos into short viral clips for Instagram or YouTube Shorts. It's like having a full-time editor for free. Tool number 3, AI for bookkeeping. Numbers can be stressful, but tools like QuickBooks AI automatically categorize expenses, send reminders, and even predict cash flow. That means fewer headaches when tax season rolls around. Tool number 4, AI for design. You don't need to be a graphic designer anymore. With Canva AI, you can generate logos, flyers, or social media posts in minutes. Just type in what you need and watch the designs appear. Tool number 5, AI for customer service. Instead of staying glued to your phone, you can use AI chatbots like ManyChat. They answer FAQs, take orders, and keep your customers happy 24/7, even while you sleep. So, which of these AI tools would save you the most time in your business? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. Don't just work harder, work smarter. Subscribe to Journey Road Studios for weekly AI tools, tips, and strategies to help your small business grow in 2025 and beyond.